Negombo is the first stop for many travelers in Sri Lanka. Just 15 minutes from the airport, this seaside town feels calm and welcoming. Long beaches stretch along the coast, touched by warm waves and golden sunsets. It's where your journey begins. Simple, slow, and peaceful. Beyond the beach lies the wide Negombo lagoon. Still waters reflect swaying palms and fishing boats. Life here moves gently, guided by the tides, shaped by nature, and rich with local rhythm. At sunrise, Negombo's fish market wakes up. Boats arrive with the morning catch. Skilled hands clean and prepare the fish, while others lay them out to dry under the sun. It's raw, real, and full of energy, a tradition that's part of daily life. Behind the market, quiet houses rest by the lagoon. In town, St. Mary's Church rises high above the rooftops, a sign of deep faith and colonial past. This is where fishing life and old culture blend into one. The Dutch Canal flows through Negombo, narrow and peaceful, with boats gliding past trees and houses. It's a quiet reminder of the town's history. On the beach, fishermen pull their heavy nets with strength and teamwork, just like their fathers did. And as the day fades, the beach fills with people. Kids play, locals relax. The sun turns the sky orange and gold. Negombo is not just a place you pass through. It's a place that welcomes you with peace and pride. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the journey, give it a like and subscribe for more Sri Lanka moments. For tailor-made private tours, visit Ayubowan Escapes.com.